Innovation Alley is a space for new businesses, so under 5 years old or fewer than 10 people, and they've got an innovative technology which can be applied to manufacturing.
And it's a chance to see the real cutting edge of what's happening in AI and robotics, automation, augmented reality and virtual reality. Really fantastic experience to come here.
Innovation Village is an extension of our Innovation Alley. It incorporates all the partners of Innovate UK, including our Made Smarter Innovation Challenge programme.
So Made Smarter is all about making manufacturing better here in the UK. Can we make better products through digital technologies? These technologies make a huge difference if we're to be more competitive, productive and sustainable. And this is a global race if we're to stay ahead.
We feel so fortunate to be here. There's some really interesting innovations happening and it's just really good to be a part of this event.
The opportunity just to speak to the amazing industry experts that are wandering around the show, get exposure, get coverage, it's been a really good opportunity for us to learn about the market.
Probably confidently say we can guarantee about 5 qualifiable leads on that one, which is for us is spectacular.
It's really great to see some of the businesses grow their product a bit more, and we've seen some great successes from companies and really hoping for great things this year too.